Yeah, maybe I'll do a 2-for-1 day. But the garage door I like to open up when I had a rainstorm. It was downpouring in the garage for about 10 minutes. Almost got my new roller lifters and my push rods. We have this company here, we got a ramp. It's called Easy Access. Easy Access. I just put the ramp over here because I was working on it. And it got soaking wet, so because the garage door was open for 10 minutes in a rainstorm. So explain backstory. But I'm missing screws, so I contact the company. It says lifetime warranty or whatever. Lifetime warranty. I like to test these companies. Some companies are utter trash. Other companies are very well. Easy Access, utter trash. They will not send me hardware for this thing, so I have to go to the hardware store and match up screws. So a company that states lifetime warranty require all this information, some of it which I gave them, some of them I did not. Oh, you need proof of purchase for tiny screws. What's the tiny screws on this side? Tiny screws. Tiny screw, tiny screw. Oh, there's a screw over there. I got one. I think it's loose actually. Tiny screw. Look at the water coming out of this thing. So this guy, I guess, cleaned this thing too, of course. Condoland style. I cleaned this whole thing, made it all nice, and of course it gets pissed on by the rain, and it's filthy again. So you know that's just how it goes here. Hence, I don't really clean much anymore because it's a waste of my time personally, because the weather or somebody else will destroy it. But yeah, they won't give you tiny screws, so I'll just smash those up. I got to see if they're stainless or steel. You can get some. But yeah, won't send you. You can put those in an envelope. Nope. Giving me a hard time about it. So Easy Access, they can screw off. Don't buy their products because, you know, tiny screw they won't send you. A tiny hardware screw. You know, that costs them nothing. And they use the wrong screws anyway because the screws fall out. It's a design flaw. They should have used machine screws, and it should have been threaded instead of self-tapping screws that get loose in the little hole. But that's just me. I need a magnet. But just like to share that. I've got a couple rants we have to do, if I even remember, have them saved over the years. I don't know. I still got a rant about this ISP we have now. That's a video that's been brewing since last September. Yeah, unbelievable, man. I won't send you screws, but we'll make it work on my own time. And then, I don't know, maybe sell the piece of shit. Because the company just doesn't care about their product. Or you, who may own it. However you may have owned it. Oh, I get you that. Yeah, just clean this thing. Just cleaned it. The garage door's open for 10 minutes. Oh, shit all over it now. Look at it, filthy again. I cleaned all this crap. Yeah, we need a screw like this. Is it? Stainless screw. Okay. Stainless steel. See, they are, I'll show you. They are self-tappers. They should have used a machine screw. Yeah, no, they're steel. They're low grade. It might be low grade stainless. It doesn't really grab too much. I think it's low grade stainless. Because that's steel. Yeah, low grade stainless. So we have to find something like that. Good luck. Very small. Company will not send you these. Will not send you. So that's that. And ramp will be fixed. Yeah, I said I needed 4, but I only really need 2. I found the other 2. Won't send you in the mail. Can you believe that shit? See, this one's rounded out already. See, it's bullshit. They're like one-time use. It's crap. And it's gonna loosen up in there again. That's probably why they fell out in the first place. Garbage. Probably gonna just sell it.